If you want to create another user profile on the Pixel 10 Pro, then you have to start by opening System Settings and now scroll down for System Settings and now go into the users. Over here, you have to click to add a user, or if you want to add a guest account, you can also do this. But let's say that you just want to create a second account, so click to add a new user, click next, and over here you can set name for that user, but also by clicking here you can choose a profile picture from this default pictures, or by going into the gallery you can pick any photo that you want, for example this one, and you can still adjust this photo. We can rotate, you can do a lot of things. Click save in the right bottom corner, and now we have to scroll down and click done. Now just wait for the creating process, and now we can also allow this second user to use phone calls and messages, but you have to remember that it's going to actually share the history with this user, so it depends on your preferences. And now if you want to make a switch, just click on the user, tap to switch to the new user, and now you have to click to set up now. And all you have to do is just to simply set up this phone like you did it for the first time with this one. And that's pretty much it. Over here you can also find some other options, like for example you can add users from the lock screen or allow guests to make the phone calls.